Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these wonderful gummy bear ice lollies. I'm sure most of you have heard of these, but for those who haven't heard of these, they are just so incredibly easy to make and just so tasty. By the way, before we get onto this tutorial, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Hey It's Sophie, who you might want to check out, which you will check out, and she does amazing videos, and I'll just put a link down below if you want to check her out, which you will. Anyway, a link down below so you can check her out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Let me show you the ingredients. Okay, so first you'll obviously be using some Sprite. You might want to get more than 1 can of Sprite, but that depends on how big or small your ice lolly molds are. Some gummy bears. I recommend getting Buzz gummy bears because they're just so gummy bear-like. But anyway, if you are getting Buzz gummy bears, I'd recommend getting 2 packs. But once again, that all depends on how big or small your molds are and just how much you want to put in. Also, to make the recipe unique, I decided I wanted to add a few cola bottles. As you can see, I have just bought this ice lolly maker set because I don't actually have an ice lolly maker set, which is crazy, I know, but it's true. So, let's get started. Remember, don't put too many gummy bears in, otherwise it will fill up to the top and you won't be able to put your stick in. As I said, I was going to put some cola bottles in to make it unique. So, and I'm going to be using my stick to make sure that they all fit in. I'm going to put some more in. Now the Sprite time. I recommend using a bottle of Sprite because it's easy to pour in bottles. Don't pour the Sprite to the top, otherwise when the stick goes in, it will rise. Ta-da! Cool. And now it's time for them to go in the freezer. I hope you liked this video, and it would mean a lot to me if you gave it a big fat thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!